nothing but the ocean now. Every second is a battleground. Over the horizon, can anybody hear me shout? When I